This video will instruct you how to recode categorical string variables into labeled numeric variables by using Automatic Recode. Right, let's now download the dataset with hyperlink in the video description, and open it in SPSS. We'll use it for walking you in this lesson. To open the Automatic Recode procedure, click Transform on the menu, then click Automatic Recode. Automatic Recode window will appear. The left column lists all of the variables in our dataset. We can use this menu to add variables into a computation, either double-click a target variable to add it to the field of variable new name, where the original variable will be transformed. New name field and button of Add New Name will activate after at least one variable has been added to the box of variable new name. We will need to supply a new variable name, and click Add New Name for each variable being recoded. The option Recode starting from specifies how the new category numbering should be arranged, either in alphabetical order by checking the lowest value, or in reverse alphabetical order by checking the highest value, with respect to the original values. This setting is applied to all of the variables being recoded. When checked, the option Use the same recoding scheme for all variables. The same numeric code is never reused across variables, unless the category names are identical. Also, when checked, the option Treat blank string values as user missing. The numeric category assigned to blank strings will be set as a special missing value. This setting must be checked in order for missing values to be properly recognized. For example, in the sample data file, the variable state is a string variable, representing whether the student is an in-state student, or an out-of-state student. If we create a frequency table of this variable, we will notice something strange. The dataset has 435 observations in all, and SPSS reports that there are 0 missing values. But there is an apparently unlabeled category, listed under the valid categories in the frequency table, that has 27 observations. This is because SPSS does not automatically recognize blanks as missing values. In order for our analyses to be accurate, we'll need to fix this issue by using Automatic Recode. To automatically recode variables, click Transform on the menu, then click Automatic Recode. Now, double-click Variable State in the left column to move it to the Variable New Name box. Enter a name for the new recoded variable in the New Name field, then click Add New Name. Then, check the box for option Treat blank string values as user missing. And click OK to finish. Running the procedure will produce the following message in the Output Viewer window. This message tells us the mapping scheme that SPSS generated for the categories as follows: in state became 1, out of state became 2, and blanks became 3, which was set as a special missing value code. We can confirm this action in the Variable View window, where we can see that, in addition to copying the original string values to the category labels, SPSS also defined category 3 as missing. Now when we create a frequency table for the recoded variable, it should reflect the proportion of values that are missing. In the output, the recoded blank values are correctly counted as missing, but show their assigned numeric code in the value labels column. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments. These will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.